Hi, I'm Darlene, and I'm going to talk about content sections and show you how to add one to your site. I'm starting in the website editor. Scroll down on your homepage to where you want your new section to live, and then click the plus Add Section button. The pane on the right opens with different content types. You can see there are a lot of options, so choose the one that aligns with what you're trying to accomplish. Notice how there's a content layout to welcome visitors to your site, or a layout that's ideal for a long block of text. I want to expand on my About Us section, so I'm going to add the long block of text so I can share how I started out in the biz. No matter what layout you select, you'll have the option to choose your accent color and alignment. I like the gold color for this section, and I'm going to leave the text justified left. I'm going to change the title to My Story and the headline to Why I Love Dogs So Much. Now I'm ready to add my text in the description box. I can do this on the preview window or using the pane on the right. And of course, I can use the formatting bar to make any highlighted words bold, italic, underlined, and more. Last but not least, I can change my cover image to a new photo or even make it a video. When things look good, click Done. Make sure you proofread your words and then publish your site. That's how you add a content section to your site. I'm Darlene, thanks for watching.